everyone. Welcome to Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and today I have an all-day clean with me video for you. If you like cleaning videos, this is for you, so give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. I do a lot of cleaning videos on my channel, and if you're interested in my other content, I will have some of those videos in the cards above so that you can check those out. I'm starting the day in the kitchen, and I've already put away the dishes from the night before that I had air drying on the counter, and now I'm unloading the dishwasher. Now that the dishwasher is empty, I'm going to reload it with all of our breakfast dishes. In our master bedroom, I like to start by opening the blinds and letting some light in. And today I filmed on a Tuesday, and that is the day of the week that I usually clean our sheets and towels. So I'm going to strip the bed and get those in the washing machine. While I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and dust. I like using my Norwex dust mitts for this because it just makes really quick work, especially of the lampshades, and I can just pick everything up, quickly dust, and move along. bathroom, I'm just going to grab all of the towels so that I can get them in the wash when the sheets are finished. I will also wash my Norwex cloths in a separate load, so I'm just switching out the ones that I have in the kitchen. And it's also the day that I usually take the trash out because the trash collectors come tomorrow, so I'm getting out the recycling and the garbage. I noticed that something leaked a little bit in the bottom of the trash can, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this 7th generation antibacterial spray to clean it out. I want to let that antibacterial spray dry really well in the bottom of the trash can before I put the bag in, so I'm going to leave it there for a few minutes. And while it's drying, I'm going to let the Roomba run in our bedroom and do the hard work for me. Then I will go back in the kitchen and replace the garbage bag into the garbage can. I washed all of our clothes the day before, and I had some things on the drying rack here that I need to fold and put away. My son brought his sheets and towels down, which are all white, so I just run them in one load, and I did that right after breakfast, and so now there's room in the washer for our sheets. I'm still using the ginger and mango scented Method laundry detergent, and I'm still loving it. I'm going to take this load of laundry and have a seat and catch up on some YouTube videos while I get it folded. I love using these wool dryer balls because they really help keep the towels fluffy and they help in the drying time, plus they cut down on static. But I do take them out lots of times when I do sheets because they get caught in those fitted sheets and it drives me nuts. So that's why I'm leaving them there for that load. I don't know about you guys, but I love clean sheet night. My husband doesn't get it, and I don't think most men do, but I just sleep better on clean sheet night. Now the towels are ready, and I will fold the beach towels in here, and I will take our bathroom towels back to the bathroom and sort of fold them and hang them as I go. And here I am looking for a missing dryer ball. But honestly, I really do love those. They're a great alternative to the fabric softener sheet. The beach towels go in our hall linen closet, and the rest of the towels go back in our bathroom. If you guys have watched my channel for very long, you know how much I love my Norwex cloths, and I use this little basket to keep them as I use them during the week, and then I wash them in their own separate load. The microfibers will pick up lint from any other laundry that you clean them with, so you want to keep them separated in order to keep them effective. I even keep our Norwex cloths in their own separate drawer here. And the reason why I do that is because I don't want them to get mixed in with the other cleaning rags that we use. They're a little bit of an investment, and I just want to make sure that they stay effective. By now we've already had dinner, and this is usually the last chore on my Tuesday. So after this, I'm going to go relax with my family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.